I didn't get to watch much YouTube today, so I'm sorry. But when I finally did get on there, you're not gonna believe what I saw.
The Silver Mafia is after me. Yes, the Silver Mafia is real. They're here, they're queer, get used to it. And they're coming to take me out. I'm gonna get got. I'm gonna share something with you that they don't want you to know. Scared money don't make no money.
My love, if you're reading this, then the Silver Mafia has taken me.
Letting everyone know that the Silver Mafia is real.
At least it wasn't by aliens.
So they did what any mob does. They've silenced me. Finally.
Who knows what's gonna happen next?
Read this letter to the stacking community because I know they must be losing sleep, worried about where I am.
I haven't been able to sleep for the past 48 hours. Silver Mafia has him, and I just can't rest until we get him back.
I think that if we contact our congressmen, demand that we have ninjas. I think we need some ninjas. A Ninja Protection Agency. You have a ninja outside your house.
Ask Mrs. Southside Stacker. She'll tell you the truth.
I don't know if I'll return to your sweet embrace or hear you go on and on and on about how I don't take the trash out. Well, maybe you should take the trash out for once in your life.
Southside Stacker? Why don't you take out the trash, dude?
Don't read this part out loud or I'll look like a piece of garbage. If anybody finds him, keep him.
Missing. He's been abducted. Yeah, our good friend Southside Stacker is gone. The Silver Mafia has got him.
God bless us all.
But anyway, here's what I'm proposing though, and I have been telling y'all this all along. You think Southside Stacker would have gotten abducted today if there had been 2 or 3 ninjas outside his house? Think about this. If we could have a program like this where you and I could go and learn how to be a ninja and learn how to catch bullets with our teeth, ooh, think about it. We'd become invincible then. Guns wouldn't do anybody any good anymore. Now when you can catch bullets with your teeth, Lordy mercy!